Hello students, in today's session we are going to study nomenclature of haloalkanes. Nomenclature of haloalkanes. Now nomenclature we are doing through two ways. We can write common name or we can write IUPAC name. Now generally common name we write in the form of alkyl halide. Common name in the form of alkyl halide. And IUPAC name will be written in the form of haloalkane. IUPAC name in the form of haloalkane. For example, consider CH3Cl. So what will be its common name and what will be its IUPAC name? Okay. Now you know that common name we write in the form of alkyl halide, right? Okay. Now here how many carbons are there? Only one carbon atom. So one carbon atom means alkyl will be methyl. Methane becomes methyl, right? And halide. Now which is the halide here? Cl means it will be chloride. So common name will be methyl chloride. Okay. IUPAC name in the form of haloalkane. So halogen's name will be written first, then name of alkane. Okay. First we have to write name of halogen. So which is the halogen here? Halo means for Cl you say chloro. What is the name of alkane? One carbon means methane. So its IUPAC name will be chloromethane. Now we will take some more examples. For this, we have to follow some steps. For IUPAC system of nomenclature, first what you will do? Select longest chain. While selecting longest chain, you must take care that it must include halogen atom. First step is select longest chain. But in that longest chain, what we can say? It includes halogen atom, including halogen atom. And second main step is numbering of carbon atoms. Numbering of carbon atoms. While the numbering, carbon containing halogen atom. Carbon containing halogen atom should get lowest possible number. Halogen atom is attached to which carbon atom? That carbon must get lowest possible number. From that side, you will do numbering. And the common formula will be HSC. What is HSC? H means halo, S means substituent, A means alkane. So first you will write halogen's name in the form of halo. Then you will write name of substituent if it is there. And after writing name of substituent, you will write name of alkane. So prefix will be halo, suffix will be alkane. What is prefix? Pre means we write first. Prefix means pre means first. So prefix means which we write first. So what we write first? Halo. And suffix will be alkane. Okay. For example, consider CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH, Br, CH3. Consider this example. Now for this compound, what will be the common name and what will be the IUPAC name? Okay. Select the longest chain. First step is select longest chain, including halogen atom. Including halogen atom. Including halogen atom means the carbon which you are going to consider, to that carbon halogen must be attached. Okay. Now which will be the longest chain? If I will consider 1, 2, 3, 4, this will contain only 4 carbon atoms. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this contains 5 carbon atoms. So this is the longest chain. For the longest chain, you can draw box, and for the substituent, you can write circle. For the longest chain, we will draw box, and for the substituent, we will write circle. Okay. Now selected longest chain. What is second step? Numbering of carbon atoms. But while doing numbering, carbon containing halogen should get lowest possible number. Okay. So which is the carbon containing halogen? This is the carbon containing halogen, and this carbon must get lowest possible number. If from this side I will do numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, so it get 4. And if I will do from this side 1, 2, now between 4 and 2, which is the lowest number? 2 is the lowest number. So this numbering will be correct. So we will do numbering from this side. It will be carbon number 1. This is carbon number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Why from this side? Because if we do numbering from this side, this carbon containing halogen gets number 2, and from this side it will become 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 is lowest number, so this numbering is correct. Okay. Now while writing the name, what you have to do? You have to write first halo. Halo means name of halogen. Okay. Halo, here which halogen atom is there? Br. Halogen is Br. So halo will be bromo. Next is substituent's name. Substituent means to which we have written circle. Okay. Now CH3 means what? CH3 means methane. Right? See, again I will tell you. Alkane minus 1 hydrogen, it becomes alkene. So methane minus 1 hydrogen, it will become methane. CH4 minus 1 hydrogen, CH3. Methane means CH4 minus 1 hydrogen, it will become CH3. So CH3 is methane. So CH3 is methane. Okay. Now, before the name of substituent, write its locant. We have to write down. Locant also. Now what is the locant? Locant means location. Location means position where this substituent is attached. So where this substituent is attached? It is attached to carbon number 3. So before the name of substituent, write its locant or its position 3. After substituent name, write down the name of alkane. How many carbons are there? 5. So alkane will be pentane. Name is bromo 3-methyl pentane. Now second example. Consider example CH3 CHCl CH2 CH3. Okay. Now first step is select longest chain. So which will be the longest chain? This will be the longest chain. Okay. Numbering of carbon atom. Carbon containing halogen should get lowest possible number. If I do numbering from this side, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Another possible numbering is same compound. I will write here. Okay. Longest chain is selected. Numbering either from this side or you can do numbering from this side also. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Out of these two numberings, which numbering is correct? What they said? Carbon containing halogen should get lowest possible number. Now halogen is attached to this carbon. Through this numbering, it is getting carbon number 2. And if we will do numbering like this from this side, then the carbon containing halogen atom gets number 3. Carbon containing halogen number 2. Carbon containing halogen number 3. Out of 2 and 3, which is the lowest number? 2 is the lowest number. So this numbering is correct and this numbering is incorrect. Okay. Now name in the form of halo, substituents name and then alkane. Okay. So write down first halo. Here Cn is there. So halo will be chloro. Okay. Substituents name. Here substituent is not there. Then name of alkane. How many carbon atoms? 4 carbon atoms. So 4 carbon atoms means alkane will be butane. Now if halogen is attached to middle carbon atoms, then you have to write number of carbon to which the halogen is attached. So here halogen is attached to carbon number 2. So before chloro, write 2. So it is 2 chloro butane. Now next example. Number 3. CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CHCl, CH2, again CH. We can take CH2, CH2 and CH3. Okay. If this is the compound, we can add some more substituents. So if I will cancel one of the hydrogen from here, it will become CH3. This hydrogen will be cancelled. CH3 will be better. Okay. So this example will be better. What is first step? Select longest chain, including halogen atom. Okay. Now, how to select the longest chain? See, if I consider this chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. It will contain 9 carbon atoms. But if I will consider from this carbon, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It contains 10 carbon atoms. So maximum number of carbons are enclosed in this chain. So this will be the longest chain. To the longest chain, what we do? We write box. Out of the box, whatever is left, that is nothing but the substituents. And to the substituents, we write circle. To the longest chain, box, and out of the box, whichever groups will be there, to these groups, write down the circle. This circle means they are the substituent. Don't write circle to the Cl because this is not the substituent, this is the functional group. Okay. Now, numbering of carbon atoms. Carbon containing halogen should get lowest possible number. Okay. So, numbering from which side it will be correct? If I will do numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Carbon containing halogen gets number 6 if I do from this side. And if I will do numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If I will do numbering from this side, it will get 5. Which is the lowest number? 5. So this number is correct. So I will do numbering from this side. So this is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. What is next? We have to write the name in this format. Name of halo first. Halogen is Cl. So for Cl, halo will be chloro. And this Cl is attached to carbon number 5. So before chloro write 5. Then name of substituent. Now which are the substituents? See, to the carbon number 3, what is attached? CH3 means methyl. To the carbon number 4, again methyl. To the carbon number 8, again methyl. So instead of writing 3 methyl, 4 methyl, 8 methyl, instead of this, what we will write? What are the numbers? 3, 4, 8, try methyl. Okay. So substituents name are written. Last is name of alkane. How many carbons? 10 carbons. So name of alkane will be decane. So the final name is 5-chloro 3,4,8 trimethyl decane.